Mitchell man. What's up, buddy? How's life? We don't have any lives? Look at all these boxes. Look at all this.
What do you think this is?
We got presents from Huron Speed. This is awesome. And you're tearing my car apart again.
No, I didn't.
This is more awesome. Oh my god. I'm so sad.
You know what I do?
No.
I tear your car apart and things of that nature.
And things of that nature. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Yes, we do have replacement parts for Ghost from Huron Speed. Thank them guys. I thank them guys so much for helping me out and getting me my replacement parts. And we got some upgraded parts as well, guys. I literally just got back from the powder coater, Barker's Coating in Ephrata, PA. Look them guys up on Instagram. And I sent a pipe over to him. I sent 2 pipes over to him. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. But they sent me all these nice replacement parts. I have a new intercooler. I have a new exit pipe. It is going to be a bumper exit. I know you guys do not want to hear that, but it is going to be a bumper exit for the downpipe. I'm sorry, guys. It's just the way it is. I know you guys don't like that, but that's just the way it is. They sent me some more replacement pipes that I needed there. New brackets for mounting the intercoolers and all kinds of fun stuff. More clamps. And there's my other pipe that I needed as well. Right there. That's the passenger side intercooler to throttle body pipe is what that is. But Mitch is over here hooking up my meth system. Got my front support off. Got, which won't be going back on, obviously. We got my meth bottle. This is directly from Alky Control. They actually make these bottles just specifically for methanol injection. And what are you doing now, buddy? You're mounting my...
Getting ready to mount your motor.
Getting ready to mount my... That's not a motor. That's a pump.
Whatever.
Pump motor.
I'm going to pump motor mount.
You know, pump motor mount my pump. That sounded weird. So my downpipe before was a 4-inch downpipe. 5-inch exit off the turbo. You know, I'll just walk over here and show you guys because I'm sure you guys want to see it. But it was a 5-inch exit off of the turbo, and then it went to a 4-inch downpipe, which went under here like so, and then came out the side right here like so. So my buddy John over at Huron Speed upgraded me to a 5-inch, full 5-inch downpipe, and I took it over to Barker's to have them ceramic coat that pipe because obviously all my other pipes are ceramic coated. I need that pipe ceramic coated as well. My beard is looking great. Okay, so they got that pipe over there, and there's another thing that I did as well. If you guys remember the throttle body pipe that goes from here and down, has the 2 blow-off valves. I'm actually getting that pipe powder coated the same shocker yellow. This is actually shocker yellow as my turbo, guys, which is going to look cool. I think it's going to put a little pizzazz with the green stickers that I have up here, the turbo, and now the piping being green, just this top pipe, just to kind of give it a little bit of flair. I think it'll be it'd be pretty cool. So they're getting done. That should be done this later this week. And I should be. Are you going to make noise?
I'm ready to make noise.
Oh my god, let's watch you make noise. How's that sound?
You want to watch me make noise?
Oh my god, do you know what you're doing?
Nope.
Oh lord. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm qualified to do this.
Are you?
No.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my lord. Drilling shit. My beautiful car. Alright, well Mitch is destroying my vehicle, which would be great. So like I was saying, those 2 pipes are over at Barker's Coating. They are getting powder coated and ceramic coated. We'll be back by the end of the week, which is going to be freaking amazing. But I definitely want to show you what Huron Speed has upgraded me to here in this box. So before, we'll put this over here, like so. Before I had the regular 4-inch thick front mounted intercooler on this, well actually on Red Rocket. Now we have Ghost. So I want to open this up because this thing is not the 4-inch intercooler that I had before. John over at Huron Speed, being the awesome guy that he is, I don't know if you guys can see this already. Mitch, can you help me here while I hold the camera? That's not 4 inches, guys. That's what she said. This is Huron Speed's 6-inch thick freaking intercooler. Look at this freaking thing. Look how stupid thick this. That's my hand. That is my freaking hand. That thing is huge.
It's monstrosity.
It is a monstrosity of huge intercooler.
Of awesomeness.
Like, it's going to be freaking amazing. So they've upgraded me to a 6-inch thick intercooler, which I think I need. We're going to go ahead and we're going to mount this thing, mount the brackets, mount everything. It's going to be freaking awesome. What do you think, Mitch?
I think we're going to do it.
We're going to do it. It's going to be fucking amazing, guys. Amazing. All right, guys, the 6-inch intercooler is mounted. That is a big, tell me that's not a big intercooler. That thing's huge. Mitch is gonna get the broken, the old 4-inch intercooler here.
It's a little twisted.
It's a little twisted, but we're gonna show you the comparison with the lift up here. We're gonna, oh my Lord, look at that. So that's the comparison between a 4-inch intercooler and Huron Speed 6-inch intercooler. I mean, it's freaking crazy.
It's freaking 2 inches.
It's 2-inch nuts. And the nice cool thing about Huron Speed, there's one other thing they do with their intercoolers that I do want to state, is they have this little flap in here to help direct air not only to the bottom of the intercooler, but also it directs air up, so that way it utilizes the entire intercooler surface. It just doesn't use the bottom of the intercooler and just tries to fill up the top. And I've had, you know, for example, my old turbo system that was on the Red Rocket before, the 78mm, it was just an eBay intercooler, and these are not eBay intercoolers. They might look like eBay intercoolers, but these are not eBay intercoolers. But inside that intercooler, it did not have that flap inside of there. It was literally just a big open spot, and that's all it was. But like I said, Huron Speed does a good job. They have this flap in here that utilizes the entire intercooler, which is freaking pretty cool too. So yeah, this thing's huge.
Oh, sorry, I was
that thing is like,
I was admiring the thickness.
like it's, oh yeah, that's what she said. I was admiring the thickness. Oh my God. Now Mitch, don't tighten that all the way up, man. We still got to adjust for the piping. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, but there is one other thing that I do want to explain that I'm doing to this vehicle. On Red Rocket, we had a very, very simple regulated return style fuel system on here, and what we're doing on this one is a little different. We're going to be running two 525 E85 Warborough pumps. Red Rocket only had one E85 pump. We're going to be doing two E85 pumps on this car. We're going to be also running full 8AN line from the tank all the way up to the engine bay. So basically the way we're going to do this is we're going to tee off the line underneath the car into two lines, and we're going to have one line go to each fuel rail. And then we're going to have one line come off of each of the front of the fuel rails going to both sides of the regulator, which is going to be mounted over here. Let's get this metal line out of the way. It's like in my way, making my video weird looking with a brown line. So I'm going to be mounting my regulator over in this area here somewhere. I'm not really sure where. Maybe I'll have Mitch make me a nice little bracket or something. We'll see what happens. But we're going to have both lines independently coming off of each rail and going to the fuel regulator, and then have one return that's going to go back and then back into the tank, obviously. But this car is getting closer and closer and closer, guys. It's amazing that it's come this far this quick, which is cool, especially with this freaking I can't get over how big this freaking intercooler is. It's just huge. It's huge. People are going to comment, Andy, how many times can you say this intercooler is huge in your video? Every time you say it, take a shot. All right, guys, only one thing left in this video, and that is we got to hang up our Huron Speed poster banner that he just sent us. Mitch got the ladder. Thanks, Mitch. Yeah. So they sent me this really awesome banner. It's got a GTO on it. It's got a Trans Am on it. And it's got a CTSV. This is the one I picked out. It has a CTSV on it right there. We're going to hang this sucker up, put it up in the shop. We got all of our other signs up here. A Chevy sign. We got a all gave some gave all. We got the Air Inductions, the G-Force racing gear. Obviously not Lunati's Voodoo banner up here as well. So now we're going to add Huron Speed's banner. Oh boy, that thing's going to look good. I hope it doesn't block my flag. No, it won't. Awesome. Oh yeah, that's gonna be great. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys, the Huron Speed banner is hung up. Very, very nice. We got our America right there. And then we got more America over there. So it's gonna be, oh, and this is gonna be a lot of America too. This is a lot of America. There's just a whole bunch of America in this shop, which is freaking awesome. About it, guys, for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice little update on Ghost. Ghost is coming along very good. We have a lot done. There's a little bit left to go. Ghost will be running very, very soon, guys. Very, very soon. If you enjoyed this video, do me a big, big favor. We'll get Ghost behind us here in the background. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Don't forget to check out my links in the description. Lots of information down there. Deuces, guys.